Okay, this is the latest addition to the game room. This is a stoner candy machine. This candy machine is from the 50s. That's when they manufactured many of them, from the 40s and 50s to my understanding. This one's dated from the early 50s. This one is a kind of a cool piece. You do see these from time to time. This one is one of the more uncommon ones, and what makes it, you know, more desirable or more rare would be the fact that it has what they call a candy or a gum wheel on here. Now this selection here, this gives you 4 different selections. You can have double mint, you can see would be like one of your selections. There's gum. You have breath savers, which is one flavor of it, another flavor of the breath savers, and the fourth one is actually out, and that's what you see. There's a little tag that pops up and it says that it's sold out. The rest of the machine, you have seven different selections of the candy on there, and it also has the pricing for there. Something that's neat with that, you can charge two different amounts for the candy. These are all set at a nickel, and when the candy is out, you can actually see there's a little out tag that appears in where the pricing would be, and it won't let you physically pull that lever. This machine, when we got it, somebody had actually started a restoration on it. Did the hard part, in my opinion. The person actually had it painted. So it was shot with a nice enamel professionally at a auto body shop. But the guy I got it from, the vending internals were not working at all. Just basically from years of neglect and just being not used. Many of the parts had seized up in it. Got it all going. We also have all the decals on there. I had put those on, the artwork on the mirror. This is one of the fancier models that has the more decorative style mirror. And you also have graphics on the side here that we got put on. Candy. And down below in the little starbursts you see, just to add a little more style, more flair to it. I'll open it up, show you what it looks like inside. Inside the unit here, it's a little dark, it's hard to see. This is where all the candy is stacked in here. It's hard to tell, but each little selection in there holds a candy bar. I just put the fun size ones in there. I don't have this thing loaded up with real large candy bars. Same with the mints. These are actually trays that come undone. That's how you refill it. And I'll demonstrate one of the how it vends. I get a little shaky here because I gotta do it with one hand. And again, I apologize. I know the lighting absolutely sucks on this, but I'm going to pull the lever and you should see that drops. And you can see down here we have our New York peppermint patty. So that's the internals of it. I'm not going to go into too much detail with that and bore you, besides it's tough to see in there. But anyway, this is the front of it. And in fact, where it is in my basement, it actually is in a little bit of a darker area. I don't have any lights that are shining on it. So something that I did add in there is I got LED strip lighting, and where all the pricing is and where the candy's displayed, I have that on a remote control, so that, you know, when we have a party or people are over, you just want to see what you're getting, you can turn them off or on. Right now it is on. I have the switch in my hand. I'll give it a quick turn off with the remote, and you can see that's non-illuminated. So in my opinion, it looks a lot better with the illumination on it. I'm sure the camera gives it a pretty nasty glare, but in person it actually is looks pretty decent. So that's pretty much it. I'll show you how it vends from the outside. Got a quarter or some change here. Put the quarter in there. You can make your selection. Show the gum wheel in action here. Go with the breath savers. Once it's on the selection that you want, you go ahead and you pull that lever, and down the tray here. There you have it. So that's it. Just like I said, this one was in pretty decent shape again when we got it. Somebody had started the restoration on it as far as the paintwork goes. In my opinion, that was a little bit more of the tougher, time-consuming part. I enjoy working on the mechanics the most, so this one suited me very well for a project. The glass in the front here, this was all replaced. Same with the on the gum wheel, that was replaced. All the graphics were redone. The bottom here is actually just storage, so you can put candy or parts or whatever you may have in the bottom there. Overall, really cool looking machine. This one actually came from right off Coney Island, so it might have a neat piece of history behind it, maybe a neat story. The guy said that's where it came from, it's where it spent a lot of its life, so now it's in the basement and it's part of the game room. So that's it.